Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Englishvish. I'm really happy you are here today. Before we start, I want to say one small thing. Thank you. Thank you from my heart. You are real people learning every day. Now let me ask you something. Do you feel your English sounds correct? But not natural? You speak. People understand you. But it feels a little stiff. A little book-like. If yes, please relax. You are not alone. Many English learners feel this. Today's video will really help you. Today we will talk about one big step to sound more natural in English. It is not about learning many words. It is about learning the right words. Words that native speakers use every day. These words are called phrasal verbs. Don't worry. They are not scary. I will explain everything slowly and clearly. Today, we will learn 30 very useful phrasal verbs. You will hear short conversations. Then we will review them together. No pressure. No rush. Are you ready? Let's begin, slowly. First, let's understand one simple thing. What is a phrasal verb? It is very easy. You take a verb you already know, like look or get. Then you add a small word, like up, out, or after. When you put them together, the meaning changes. That's it. For example, the word look means to see something. But look after means to take care of someone. Same verb. New meaning. Simple, right? Now, one small but important tip. Some phrasal verbs can move. Some cannot. This is normal. For example, turn off. You can say, turn off the TV. Or, turn the TV off. Both are correct. But some phrasal verbs must stay together. For example, I look after my dog. You cannot say, I look my dog after. That sounds wrong. Don't worry too much about rules. With listening and practice, your ear will learn. Phrasal verbs are everywhere. In movies. In songs. In daily talk. In messages. If you want to sound natural, you need them. So today, we will see them. In real, easy conversations. We grouped them by topic to help you remember better. Now let's start with communication. Phrasal verb 1, add up. We use add up when something does not make sense. For example, someone gives many excuses, but the story feels strange. You can say, it doesn't add up. Short. Natural. Very common. Phrasal verb 2, back someone up. This means to support someone. To stand with them. It feels warm and strong. You can say, I'll back you up. It means, I'm with you. I support you. People use this a lot. Phrasal verb 3, bring it on. This one has energy. It means, I'm ready. I'm not afraid. For example, in a game, your friend says, you can't win. You smile and say, bring it on. Say it with a smile. Then it sounds fun. Phrasal verb 4, find out. This means to learn new information. For example, I found out the truth. She found out the news. This is the natural way to speak. People say this every day. Now let's hear them in a short conversation. Listen calmly. Dialogue. I heard Mark's excuse for being late. First he missed the bus. Then his car broke down. It doesn't add up. Yeah, it sounds strange. Don't worry. I'll back you up if someone asks. Thanks. I'm nervous about the quiz tomorrow. Nervous? Come on. Bring it on. You studied hard. Maybe. But I need to find out. Which chapters are included? Let's ask the teacher. We'll find out together. See? Simple words. Real English. Before we end, one small tip for you. Don't try to learn everything in one day. Listen a little. Repeat a little. Use one new sentence. Watch movies. Listen to music. Pause and repeat. Even 15 minutes a day is enough. If this video helped you, please like it. Write one simple English sentence in the comments. And if you want daily English practice, please subscribe to Englishvish. We learn together here. Slowly. Kindly. And remember, my friend, small daily practice is enough. Learning takes time. And you are doing really well.